Hey guys, today here at Skyway Classics in the Bradenton area, and today we are in an 87 red Ford Mustang, and this thing is clean. Limited edition number 214. This is a beautiful car. Mustang souped up their 5.0 motor, gave it a little more power. This thing gives off a nice rumble, nice tight steering, good brakes. Definitely a car everyone would love and enjoy for sure. Has good pickup. Car is very responsive in every type of way. All the gauges on the dash work. Blows cold AC. We have the radio. Definitely come here and check this out. 87 red Ford Mustang. Beautiful car.